I've got a hardy plank siding here. I've got these really helpful clamps that I use. They are super easy to use. I've used them on a few siding jobs now, and I really like them. I just pop in there, make sure it's tight up to the underside of your siding, and then you just crank that clip, and that holds your next board in place. Really easy. Check it out. We'll take our measurement here. We are 68 3/4, so that will be 68 1/2. You want to leave a 1/8 of an inch gap wherever your board meets any trim on our board. Cut the size. Let's check the fit. Pop this right in those clips. And now, as you can see, our clips are holding this next board in place. All we got to do is nail it off. There you go. Bob's your sister.